Hello, first graders, and welcome back to our Tuesday video. Today we're going to start learning about bundles of 10. So we started talking about tens place on Monday, tens and ones place, which we learned, and now we're going to learn about a bundle. So we learned that a tens bar is 10 of these cubes. So if we put 10 together, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We learned that this is one tens bar. So this is 10 cubes. But what is a bundle of 10? A bundle would be 10 of these bars together. So I don't have enough room to draw 10 of these cubes together. But what I can do is show you what it would look like with a marker. So we imagine that this was just what we created, the 10 blocks stacked on top of each other. So that would be one 10. That's one tens bar. We need 10 of these together to make a bundle of 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if we circle it together, that is a bundle of 10. So as we saw before in our last video yesterday, if we had 32, we can have 1, 2, 3 bars of 10. Remember, that's the same thing as having all these stacked up and having 3 of these bars. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these white lines are the same thing as 10 of these cubes together. So as we saw, the number 32 would be 3 of these tens bars. So if we wanted to see let me just erase these. If we wanted to see the number 32, what that would look like, remember we had the number 32. This is how it would look. 3 tens bars to equal 10, 20, 30, and 2 ones. We can just draw 2 little circles for that. And that would be 32. So this bundle over here is 10 tens bars. So together, this would equal 100. So this is 100 and this is 32. So let's do another one. If we wanted to have a bundle of, let's say 400. 400. How many bundles of 10 do we need to make 400? Well, if one bundle is 100, we would need 4 bundles. So it would look like this. Remember, if we circle this, that's one bundle of 100. So we need 4 of those in order to create 400. So how would it look if we wanted to do, let's pick the number 25. So we could do 25. I know I'm picking a bunch of random numbers, but we're just going to start with right here, the 2. So if we remember, if we draw our little chart to help us remember, fit our numbers in, the 2 is in the 10 spot, so we can start with the 2. So we need 2 bars of 10, because this is the same thing as saying 10 plus 10, and that equals 20. But does this number down here match this number up here? I don't think so. I think we need to add 5 ones. Remember, this is the ones place. So we have 10 plus 10 is 20, and that gives us 20 up here. Then we need 5 ones. So what do our ones look like again? We could do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these ones right here will equal this, number 5. So together we have 10 plus 10 plus 5, and that gives us 25. So you might be wondering how we could do this with something more tangible, something that we can feel. So I have straws right here that we can practice using to practice our bundles of 10. So these are some gold straws that I have. So if we have, there's 10 straws. So remember, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. We do that over and over again. Well, remember how we create a bundle? A bundle is how many? 10. 10 bars. So to create a bundle, we have 10 straws put together, and I'm going to tie these together. And this is now, see what that looks like? This is now a bundle of 10. So together, if we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, all these 10s, it actually equals 100. So if we go back to this screen here, and if we have 100, let's do 200. 200 here, that would be how many bundles of this would that be? Let's see. That would be, we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. It would be 2 bundles, but I only have one of these. But what you can do at home is find something like paper clips or straws or crayons, whatever you have a lot of at home, and you can create your own bundle of 10. And then it's an easier way to count to really high numbers. So this is one bundle of 10. So after this, you're going to go over to the Google Classroom and open Tuesday's drop down and do whatever it asks you to do for Tuesday.